Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Hanif Murtado from 12A2. Today I will present presentation of hortatory exposition text. Let's start. List of content is example hortatory exposition, structured text, language features, and some question. Let's The theme is the importance of recycling for our planet. In today's world, the amount of waste we produce has become one of the major environmental issues. Recycling is an effective way to reduce waste and protect our environment. Therefore, it is essential for everyone to actively participate in recycling. First of all, recycling helps conserve natural resources. Many products such as paper, plastic, and metals come from raw material that are limited in nature. By recycling these materials, we can decrease the demand for new resources, allowing the earth to preserve its natural wealth for future generations. Second, recycling can significantly reduce pollution. When waste is not properly managed, it often ends up in landfills or oceans, polluting our land, water, and air. Recycling reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and minimizes environmental contamination, creating a cleaner and healthier planet. Finally, recycling can contribute to energy savings. Manufacturing products from recycled materials requires less energy compared to using new raw materials. This reduction in energy use help decrease greenhouse gas emissions, which are the prime prima prima contributors to global warming. Aduh, ketutup lagi. Prime. Ya, itulah. Recommendation in conclusion. Recycling is a simple yet powerful way to combat environmental issues and create a sustainable future. Everyone should be encouraged to recycle regularly and make conscious choice to reduce waste. Together, we can make a significant difference by choosing to recycle. The structure text is thesis, argument, and recommendation. Explanation structure. Thesis. This section introduces the topic and states the writer's position or perspective on it. In this example, the writer the writer begins by addressing the issue of waste and supports the importance of recycling. Second, arguments. In this section, the writer provides reasons or argument that support the position or perspective in the thesis. Each argument is backed by logical explanation to strengthen the opinion. This, te- this text includes three main arguments: conservation of natural resources, reduction of pollution, and energy savings. Recommendation. The final part is recommendation or an appeal to wait. Sorry. The final part is a recommendation or an appeal to the reader to take specific action. Here. The writer encourage readers to actively participate in recycling as a step toward addressing environmental issues. Paha coba. Language features. Simple present tense. The text often use the simple present tense to state facts or general truths. Example: recycling helps conserve natural resources. Number two, modals. Should, should, can, must. Modal are used to indicate the level of obligation or possibility in the text. Example: everyone should be encouraged to recycle regularly. 3. Connectors of reason and result. Because, therefore, thus. This word connect reasons with the result or conclusion, helping to logically organize argument. And the last, technical terms or vocabulary related to the topic. Specific vocabulary related to the subject is often used to convey key ideas effectively in this case. Specific vocabulary related to the subject is often used to convey key ideas effectively. In this case, environmental terms such as pollution, natural research, and greenhouse gas emission are used. It's all of my presentation, and the question first is by Maya. The question is how to deal with readers who do not want to participate in solving environmental problems and the potential impact of not recycling. To engage readers who are reluctant to participate in solving environmental problems, persuasive strategies and education are crucial. And here are some approach. First, raise awareness. Educate reader about the severe consequence of environmental degradation through compelling data, real-life example, and visual showing of the impact of waste and pollution on nature and human health. Secondly, show personal benefits. Emphasize the direct advantage of recycling for them, such as saving money, improving their living environment, and contributing to a better future for their children. Thirdly, make recycling accessible. Highlight simple ways to recycle at home or in their community. Many people avoid participating because they wait because they perceive it as inconvenient or difficult. Yeah. And fourth, provide positive reinforcement. Share success stories and testimonial from individual or communities who have benefit from recycling efforts. Positive examples can inspire action. Next to the second question by no no no. And the potential impact if reader insists on not recycling. First, environmental degradation. Continuous pollution from non-recycled waste can lead to more severe issues like contaminated water source, unhealthy air quality, and loss of biodiversity. Second, health risk. Improper waste disposal contributes to diseases caused by polluted water and air, impacting human health directly. Third, economic loss. Non-recycling result in increased cost for waste management and raw material extraction, which could eventually lead to higher tax or product price. Fourth, contribution to climate change. By not recycling, more greenhouse gas are emitted due to the energy-intensive process of production new material acceleration global warming. By addressing the consequence and providing practical solution, even reluctant readers may reconsider their stance on recycling and start contributing to environmental protection. Okay, and the last question is by Aaron. The question is, mention and explain three arguments in your PPT that support the importance of recycling. Okay, let's go back to slide 4.